Where you own. Finale. Gonna make a nobody be kidding of it. She can't say you slam up on your head, baby.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers and already know the thing's set. We're blessed. We hope you're having a wonderful day today. But you know the story ain't complete if minute up on the beat and as you can't see on the screen. Yeah, Dancehall King Vybz Kartel is living on one burner down. He's in trouble again because I'm not gonna lie. His mistress, his side piece, you know, his baby mother, Shorty, is firing shots. Yeah, at Sidem, wickedly. Yeah, my people, this is directed at Sidem. And you know the rest of the concubine, them Lisa Hyper, and all of these people. You know what I mean? But me not gonna lie, my people. Before we get to Shorty one and shot them, we get a DM. And the people them say them know the business and confirm that Shorty dashed the punani pan Cartel and he accepted it and then dig it out for hours. That's why when they do the review, I me say, yo, oh Shorty look like she get ram out and Cartel look like say him just slam it. You know what I mean? Yeah, so now me get the DM and the people them say I was at Sunfest close to sources with direct contact with Vybz Kartel. Me just I gotta keep it real. Him and Shorty F. I don't know if it's just, you know, a spontaneous moment thing, but they couldn't get enough of each other. They couldn't hide it no longer. You see what I say? And from what I learned, he felt, you know, like he can't be himself around Sidem. She's too miserable. Shorty come out and ask him, plain and straight, 'cause you know a yard girl did. Yo, no, miss the punani. And that was it. Missy Marse, and she dep on her IG story, Shorty speaking. And that showed bare old picture and new pictures with she and Vybz Kartel. As you can see, this is when them just come from prison. Cause you can't look on them face and them ear too. You know what I mean? After them just come release. You see me? You see me? I say in a close quarters and we never see them picture at all. No. You see? So I fire shot, she a fire. You see me? Oh, this is where it gets messy because we say earlier Shorty Cartel but see them head. And then we show no video with Sidem in the vehicle with Cartel, the new Ferrari, you see me? And she look like she a breed, don't it? You know what I mean? So people they think say, boy, Team Shorty flap themselves again. You know what I mean? But look what Shorty posts up on that thing right now, my people. Look on this.
Me don't see you, so try don't see me. Get the feelings where you care for me. You low.
See there, that are the first one in him she gives Sidem, cause she mentioned Sidem name when she posts up the song, but she don't see them, so only don't trouble her. You see me, I say, that's a problem. And then she posted up this picture caption, how I'm stepping to bees who thought they put fear into me. All 2025. So now we don't know if Lisa hyper share chat, cause we know Sidem wouldn't, you know what I mean? And she posted up more stuff, you know. This is her walking in a room full of bees that thought, you know, betrayal. You know, what's going to break her and all of this stuff. Because you know, a whole heap of embarrassment she get when Cartel come out road. You see, my peeps. But man, Shorty is back. You see, I don't know if she want him for herself. Or continue to do what they've been doing for a long time. You see I say, but me not gonna lie, I don't want to see them for try Shorty, you know, cause you know what? Remember say the pitney them live right behind them, you know. Yeah, and them can visit anytime, you see I say, and sleep at them. You know, the pitney them yard and all of these things and that they can check on them. You know what I mean? So people them saying, you know, Shorty is letting see them know your time has expired. You know what I mean? If you want to stay, you're just going to be your groupie, but you're not going to get a marriage, even though she get the ring. But she not going to get no wedding. You see, my people. Some of us are giving an update while going for not to go on. No, me hear some stories that Cartel get in a car accident. I don't know if that's true or not. I see his page posting. His team hasn't contacted me. But we getting a whole heap of DMs. You see, I say, if I can confirm or deny it, I would definitely let you know in the future. The only one me know meet up in a Sentinel, Winfred Williams. You know what I mean? And he just thanked, you know, everybody for them prayers and whatnot. You see me? Okay, people, let's talk about bad mind now. I'm not gonna lie to you, the rest them I move like some dread, and the bald head them I move like some rust, because it's quite obvious with this Praga Benz. I'm saying Beenie Man created history yesterday in a Wingate Park in Brooklyn because him said look on the line. You know what I mean? And him tag Beenie. You see me? But him forget to tag the next lady who was on the line. Well, the lineup, the headliner. So not everybody was waiting for Beenie Man, people, and this was a free event. Yeah, they got paid for being there, but the people them who entered the park didn't. And you know when things is free, it ram out in a rascal, you don't it? And when the city was promoting it, they was using Beenie Man, because you know enough Jamaicans live in Brooklyn, but some of the people them was commenting if I just aim them now come. And as you can see, the people them who host the event said there's multiple artists on the lineup, so you know, we know what Sprocker Benz is trying to do. You know what I mean? Nobody no want to give Vybz Kartel credit or even congratulate him for his historic night being crowned the king of the dance. Except for Bounty Killer, of course, you know what I mean? He has been very vocal, said a new king has risen, you know what I mean? And him see it, you know, come to pass, you know what I mean, at Reggae Sunflesh. And him say a long time Cartel put in work over 20 years, you know, so it doesn't matter if a man can't perform on stage, that doesn't take away from him talent. You see me, I say. But that whole heap of confusion did that go on, you see me, I know the rest. I go address Scatterbarrel because, boy, Matsus put everybody, boy, in a liability, you know.
Greetings, people. Good morning. I made videos stating that Vybz Kartel should stay away from Jamaica and give Jamaica a 10-year break. That very time when I see Cartel on the American soil. If you're one of my true follower, you will see it. I came and I said, Vybz Kartel, know that you are in America, don't go back to Jamaica too quick. Give it a 10-year break. Let the people miss you. However, Cartel went back because him respect and honor Joe Bognovich, because they are business partners. When Cartel went back, if you ever like say the people them miss him. The people them create an havoc while he was about to get his crown. Stampede. And I see him stampede the way you see me did make a video about it the morning after Freedom Street show. Oh, okay. You see what happened to Cartel? Mad Sus alone. Hope they stand up in front of Cartel. Where couldn't she have Cartel alone? So where were all the rest of people when the crowd get wild when Cartel was about to get his crown? Where were all the rest of loyals? You see? One Scatterbarrel come out and address this. Where were you, Scatterbarrel? Because when the little thing started, you know, a mad sus, me say run come on like him mad, you know. Come stand up front of Cartel. However, if worst case scenario, mad sus would have get licked down alone and Cartel would have get damaged up too. Him alone couldn't hold that the barrier there. Him alone couldn't support the shield there. You see? That shield there. So, Cartel, look into it. Look around you. Make your money with who will help you. But got some real thing where you have to go keep away from some people. You see? Just do your thing, my general. You see? You know what you know and you know your friend them. Just do your thing. But now I say no more. One phone call all come in there. So I have to just cut the live. Okay, it's gone. Yeah. Do you think Vybz Kartel? Because you know, if I me like you today, you know who is my true friend. Because there's some first incident there make me know who is my true friend too. Mad Sus are your true friend, brother. Mad Sus now do this for the money. Mad Sus do this because he love you as somebody where stand up for him through good times and bad times. Mad Sus set him with a dead for you. That's what that video there when me see. He come stand up for shield you. Show me. Until then, people, a whole heap of things me have to say, me tell now, enough sit me have to say, no. I'm going to take time, bust them out of the bag. And I'm going to be one of the most hateful panda app here to some people who don't like what me I say. I'm going to get brand, I'm going to get all the passive, but me no care. You see? Me just do not care. There are going to be times when me going to get rush. There are going to be times when me have to go stand up to myself. And there are going to be times when they ain't going to try analyze me. But me no care. Me just do what me got to do. Me I tell you no.
Yeah, all heap of things are going, so when I go longer, this no longer. You see me, if you haven't subscribed yet and you keep on watch the video, then I suggest you do so and hit on the notification bell. Yeah, therefore you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest and the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. And people, please hit the like button. Yeah, hit the like button for me, you see me? Bless.